Welcome to the Everywhere I Go video tutorial series. Everywhere I Go is a next-generation mobile design solution with the ability to create mobile experiences for a wide range of purposes. In this video tutorial series, we demonstrate the different features of the Everywhere I Go system and how you can use it to develop and maintain a high-quality mobile presence for your website. This tutorial will show you how to create a basic content page for your mobile site. First, select Build Your Site from the main page. Then, go to the Everywhere Pages content. Click Create a New Page and the selection window will pop up in your browser. Enter the name of your page, then choose the page type, which is going to be Basic Content. Once in the Edit page, you will see the Content Editor, which has a range of basic text editing tools. We'll start by entering some basic content. Before we get into styling this content, let's take a look at the different viewing options for the editor. Clicking the second icon on the bottom of the editor allows you to see the HTML code for your content, as opposed to the design side where we just entered our content. Changes are actively updated between the design page and the HTML page, so any change made to one will immediately show up in the other. For instance, if we change the paragraph style of some of our content to H1 on the design side, you can see that the HTML code has been added to the HTML side. Also, by changing the style on the HTML side from H1 to H3, you can see that the style on the design side has changed to H3. To preview what the page looks like so far, click Save Content, then go to one of the device previews on the left side. Remember, only saved changes will appear here. Now, let's take a look at the content styling options. As we just saw, you can use the paragraph style feature to set the style of a piece of content to a predetermined setting. However, you can also do this kind of styling piece by piece. Some of the useful styling options are bold, italics, and underline. You can also change the color of the text itself, as well as the background color. Font and font size can also be changed, increasing the readability of the text on a page. Another option is alignment, which can be left, center, right, or justified. You can also organize your content by putting it in a bullet list, a numbered list, or by adding a horizontal divider. A major feature of the editor is the Image Manager, which is the icon that looks like a small picture of a mountain. Once in the manager, you can click the Upload button and choose a file to upload a picture that you want on your site. Once a picture is uploaded, you can select it in the file list on the left side of the manager and click Insert in the bottom right corner of the window, which will add the picture to your content. The last feature we're going to look at is the Hyperlink Manager, which looks like a globe with a chain in front of it. With this feature, you can create a web hyperlink or email address link. To create an external hyperlink, enter the web address into the URL field. However, we'll be creating an internal link directing to one of our Everywhere pages. To do this, enter 2 periods and a /, followed by the name of the page you're linking to. You can also add link text that will show up instead of the full URL, as well as including tooltip text, which will appear when the user hovers over the link. When you're done editing the link, click OK to add it to your content. When you're finished editing your content, make sure it's saved by clicking the Save Content button, and then go back to your Everywhere pages. Check the first box by your page name so it will appear in the navigation menu of your mobile site. Now let's look at what we created. We have our basic content form complete with a header, text content, a divider bar, a picture, an organized list, And of course, our Register Now link, which leads you to the contact form, which contains fields for the user to fill out and submit. For more information on the contact form, see the contact form tutorial on our YouTube page or at everywhereigo.com. Now let's take a look at some other page examples. These pages were created in advance, but they're examples of just some of the things you can do with the content editor, creating a visually appealing, branded mobile experience. And that's how to create a basic content page for your mobile site. Keep an eye out for the rest of the video tutorial series on our YouTube channel. For more info, get connected with us at everywhereigo.com and try out the system for yourself.